So as you guys know, that was Akira. As you guys know, I just recently did the Trouble Bubble Challenge, which goes to 16 million Scoville. That's as hot as it gets on the pepper scale, and naturally, now that I know I could do it, couldn't help myself. I had to find more challenges that went to 16 million Scoville, and I finally did. So now that I know I can do it, I wanted to be able to do it better. So in prepping for these challenges, one of the things I wanted to work on is my hiccuping, because a lot of the times when I do these challenges, I start hiccuping a lot and I can't help it. And I was told that, I'm used to all the extracts and the hot sauces and the flakes and all that, but I don't usually eat the actual peppers themselves, and I should start eating the raw peppers just more often to build up that tolerance to help me get rid of those hiccups. So while I have some ghost peppers and reapers growing in the garden, I figured today we would start off at, a reasonable heat and eat 2 healthy, beautiful habaneros and see how that goes. It's not going to be as hot as what I'm used to, but it's definitely going to be hot because I don't normally eat the raw peppers. So let's see how it goes. Are hot. Yeah. No hiccups, which is good. Probably changed now that I swallowed. Hiccups are coming. It's rising. There it is. Intense, but definitely manageable. Now we just gotta get used to the hiccups. Hi, Grams.